Okay, let's proceed to our MCQ Quarter 4 Numbers and Algebra Lesson Roman numeral number 15. Introduction to Identifying Logical Propositions. Number 1. Which of the following is a logical proposition? Letter A. Open the door. B. 5 is an odd number. C. What is your name? D. Please sit down. Number 2. The earth revolves around the sun. This is an example of non-proposition. Simple proposition. Letter B, simple proposition. C, compound proposition. Letter D, question. Number 3, if it rains, then the ground will be wet. This is a simple proposition. Letter B, compound proposition. Letter C, command proposition. Command. Letter D, question. Number 4, which statement is not a proposition? Letter A, 7 is a prime number. Letter B, the capital of Japan is Tokyo. Letter C, how tall are you? Letter D, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Number 5, identify the type of proposition. The sky is blue and the grass is green. Letter A, simple. Letter B, compound, and this is conjunction. Letter C, question. Letter D, command. Number 6, close the window before you leave. This is A, proposition. B, command. Letter C, question. Letter D, compound proposition. Number 7, Paris is the capital of France, or London is the capital of France. The statement is A, conjunction. B, disjunction. Letter C, question. Letter D, command. Number 8, which of the following is a simple proposition? Letter A, if it rains, then the streets will flood. Letter B, 12 is a multiple of 3. Letter C, you must submit your project. Letter D, where do you live? Number 9, either the exam is postponed or we will attend class. This is A, simple proposition. Letter B, a disjunction and a compound. Letter C, question. Letter D, command. Number 10, which of the following is a compound proposition? Letter A, the grass is green. Letter B, 4 is less than 10 and greater than 2. Letter C. 5 is a natural number. Letter D. The moon is round. Number 11. Which statement below is not a logical proposition? Letter A. Water freezes at 0 degrees centigrade. Letter B. Do your homework. Letter C. 100 is greater than 50. Letter D. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Number 12. Lions are mammals and whales are fish. This is an example of a conjunction and it is a compound. Letter B, disjunction and it is a compound. Letter C, simple proposition. Letter D, command. Number 13. If a number is divisible by 2, then it is even. This is A, conjunction. Letter B, conditional proposition. Letter C, simple proposition. Letter D, question. Number 14. Which of the following is a proposition? Letter A, stop shouting. Letter B, 20 is an even number. Letter C, what time is it? Letter D, pass the salt. Number 15. All prime numbers are odd except 2. This is A, compound proposition. Letter B, simple proposition. Letter C, question. Letter D, non-proposition. Number 16. Which of the following is a non-proposition? Letter A, the earth is flat. Letter B, is the light on? Letter C, 9 is a perfect square. Letter D, dogs are mammals. Number 17. If today is Sunday, then tomorrow is Monday. This is an example of A, conjunction, B, conditional or compound, conditional and then compound. Letter C, simple proposition. Letter D, command. Number 18. The library is open or the cafeteria is closed. This statement is A, disjunction and a compound. Letter B, simple proposition. Letter C, command. Letter D, proposition. Number 19. Which is an example of a false proposition? Letter A, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. B, the moon is made of cheese. Letter C, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Letter D, Manila is the capital of the Philippines. Number 20. What a beautiful morning is A. Proposition, B. Question, C. Exclamation, non-proposition. Letter D. Conditional proposition. The answer key for our quarter 4 numbers and algebra lesson Roman numeral number 15, Introduction to Identifying Logical Propositions. Number 1. The correct answer is letter B. 5 is an odd number. Number 2. The correct answer is B. Simple proposition. Number 3. The correct answer is letter B. Compound proposition. Number 4. The correct answer is letter C. How tall are you? Number 5. The correct answer is letter B. Compound. And then conjunction. Number 6. The correct answer is letter B. Compound. Number 7. The correct answer is letter B. Disjunction. Number 8. The correct answer is letter B. 12 is a multiple of 3. Number 9. The correct answer is letter B. Disjunction. Compound. Number 10. The correct answer is letter B. 4 is less than 10 and greater than 5. Number 11. The correct answer is letter B. Do your homework. Number 12. The correct answer is letter A. Conjunction, and it is compound. Number 13. The correct answer is letter B. Conditional proposition. Number 14. The correct answer is letter B. 20 is an even number. Number 15. A compound proposition. Number 16. The correct answer is letter B. Is the light on? Number 17. The correct answer is letter B. Conditional, and it is compound. Number 8. The correct answer is letter A. Disjunction, compound. Number 19. The correct answer is B. The moon is made of cheese. Number 20. The correct answer is C. Exclamation, non-proposition. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you will be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.